So, are you looking for the perfect place to call home? Well, if so, then come join us this Wednesday, June 11th, starting at 6 p.m. for our Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Summer Nights Open Houses. It is a unique opportunity to explore beautiful homes during the magical evening hours of our summers. Whether you're searching for a cozy first home or a stunning luxury property, our homes that are on the market offer something for everyone. And yes, our trusted forever agents will be right there to guide you and answer your questions and help you discover what's possible. This is just the beginning. We're opening doors all summer long, so there'll be more opportunities. And please come visit us at bhhsgeorgia.com to view all upcoming open houses and plan your tour. And before you fall in love with your dream home, do take the time to get financially ready with our essential partner, Prosperity Home Mortgage, as well as HomeServices Insurance. Their teams can help you get pre-approved and have peace of mind to take advantage of valuable cost-saving opportunities as you begin your new home search. Along with our title partner of Weissman and our partner of HSA Warranty, we'll be there to bring everything home to you. Yes, at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Georgia Properties, we believe the right home changes everything. So please don't miss this special evening to take your next step home. And we'll see you Wednesday night.